Hello all my beauties there, welcome back to my channel. L'Oreal Glyco Bright. This is the product which I am going to review in this video. So main ingredients of this product are 1% glycolic acid and its name is Glyco Bright. So this is the first and foremost thing which I don't like about this product. That is how the brands market their product. And other ingredients are 2% niacinamide and 8% melasyl. Now melasyl is the main ingredient of this product, so I don't know why they don't highlight this ingredient. Now, melasyl is supposed to reduce your melasma, pigmentation, your dark spots much faster than other ingredients which we have been using for treating our melasma and pigmentation like transminic acid, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, and so on. Now, I have been using this product from almost 4 weeks now in my AM skincare routine. And I am going to give you my honest review whether you should use this product, or spend your money on it or not. Now, first thing I am going to tell you that 1% glycolic acid and 2% niacinamide are not going to do anything for your skin. Mark my words, no, nothing. Because 1% glycolic acid, what it will do? At least glycolic acid has to be at least for 2%, as I have reviewed in my last video. Deconstruct pigmentation control serum, which has got at least 2% glycolic acid, or you should be use at least 4% or 6%. Now, 1% is not going to give you any result, and 2% niacinamide is also not going to treat your melasma or pigmentation or your dark spots. Now, 8% melasyl, which is newly viral ingredient to treat your melasma or your dark spots, which is supposed to be as effective as hydroquinone and be without giving you the side effects of hydroquinone. I'm sure you must have heard about hydroquinone, which is not advised to use without dermatologist supervision because it can cause irreversible damage to your skin. Now, after using this product for 4 weeks, I can tell you this is not going to give any results which other ingredients can't give you, like alpha-arbutin or transminic acid or kojic acid, because I have used all of them. Now, this product claims to be 7% more effective than vitamin C and 7% more effective than alpha-arbutin, 1% more effective than transminic acid, and 1% more effective than kojic acid. No, I don't buy all those claims, frankly speaking. After using it for 4 weeks, I agree that melasma, pigmentation, dark spots will not go in 4 weeks, but 4 weeks is a good time for any product to show its results. Now, any serum from Minimalist Alpha-Arbutin serum, Deconstruct pigmentation control serum, which I often recommend in my videos, or Deconstruct Alpha-Arbutin serum with 5% niacinamide, or Dermaco transinic acid with azelaic acid and transminic acid will give you faster results than comparison to this. This is my personal experience because I have used tons and tons of products for my dark spot, for my melasma, and I can say this is definitely not an expensive product. You can get it for 400 or 500 range, but this will not give you any extraordinary thing for your skin. There are other products and other brands which will give you even better results in the same price. And one thing we have to understand, that L'Oreal is a huge brand, so that is how they market their product, and this product is viral everywhere. So that is why even I bought it, so I wanted to try it. But I will not suggest you that you have to go for this product. If you are using your transminic acid, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, you can stick to that, and that will also give you result. Now I will show you the texture of this serum. This serum is in peach color. I think you can see it. Slightly thicker, not much thicker, so it will not sticky or heavy. It will not feel sticky or heavy on your face. So from that one perspective, you can use it. But otherwise, I didn't find anything extraordinary in this product. That is how it is marketed. It's viral everywhere. Everyone is talking about it. So we need to understand the marketing strategies of skincare brands, And L'Oreal is a huge brand, so they can definitely spend a lot of money on marketing. But there are better products at this price range available with Indian skincare brands from Minimalist, Deconstruct, and Dermaco. I like those products more, which I have mentioned in my video. So if you want, you can try it. I won't suggest you that you should try this product. So this was my review for L'Oreal Glyco Bright Serum with 1% glycolic acid. Why they have named this Glycolic Bright Serum? They should have marketed as Melasyl Serum or something like that. I don't understand why they did that. So if you want, you can try, but I won't recommend you that you should try this. There are better products available at the same price range. So if you like skincare related content, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.